In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to order a sandwich in New York. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly create an account on many food delivery services and how to place an order for a sandwich or any other kind of food in New York. So as you can see in this video, I'm gonna be displaying how to use Uber Eats. Like I said, this is one of the many available food delivery services. You can explore other options such as DoorDash, but for this video, I'm going to be focusing on Uber Eats. First, you will have to create your account. You can either go over to the website at ubereats.com and tap the option to sign up, where you will be able to create an account using any valid email address. So I'm just going to type a random email address as a demonstration here, and you will be able to conclude this and create your account. Alternatively, like I said, you can download the mobile app and you will also be able to create your account and sign in. Once you are done creating your account and you open up the app, you will sign into it and you will have to choose your address. Now, the process is similar for any other food delivery service that you use. So for DoorDash, you will also be creating an account after you download the app, you will set your address, and you will be able to place your order. So you can choose the option to use your current location or manually include an address here. Once it is included, you will see all of the stores available near you. So all that you have to do now is browse through all of the options and find one that satisfies you. So tap any of the stores or restaurants featured here and you will be able to place an order. So I'm going to choose this lobster roll here as the example for this video, and as you can see, it is very customizable. There are plenty of options available, and as long as you chose your address properly, you will have everything set up. You can browse through multiple of them at a time, and once you have everything at your cart, all that you have to do is tap on this little icon here at the top right corner of the screen, view the cart, and proceed to checkout. You will be able to choose from one of the many available payment methods. As you can see, they have bank account, Venmo, credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, gift card, Klarna, and even a health benefits card. So this is all you have to do. Choose any of the payment methods and you will be able to pay for your order on Uber Eats, DoorDash, or any other food delivery service in New York. I hope I was able to help you on how to order a sandwich in New York. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.